What is going on, everybody? Another episode of 4x4 Camping and Adventures, and in today's episode I'm going to show you how you can make your interior of your car smell a hell of a lot better, and probably fix a few issues that I probably cause a few people driving behind me. We're talking about cabin filters. So the good folks at Ryco sent me a brand new cabin filter. So the cool thing about these guys is I've had a couple of cars that have had them installed already, and they do make a massive difference. The way they work is they actually take out all the particles and that kind of stuff out of the air and give you nice, clear, fresh air to breathe in. So they say on the box it takes 98% of airborne contaminants such as dust, dirt, pollen from entering in your car. And one of the cool things that I was just talking about before, if you're sitting behind my car's quite a sooty car, so a lot of black smoke comes out. So if you hate the smell of that when you're driving up behind someone, it can make a massive difference. And another cool thing is it stops dust coming into your car. Yes, it stops dust coming into your car. So if you're driving on really dusty tracks and that kind of stuff, and you're behind people, it can actually stop some of that red dust coming into the vehicle. So that's pretty damn cool. So yeah, let's go ahead, let's get this guy installed. These are so easy to install on Triton, so I'll take you through the video, install it in the car, and give you all the steps on how to do it. So let's get into it. First things first, what you need to do is go under here, see this thing here where it says airbags. You don't want those going in your face, so you want to turn that off. And then you have to get rid of the whole glove box. So what we actually do is you pinch in from each side. So if you pinch in like so, the whole glove box falls down, and you can access these screws that we need to remove. There's a plug under there that I've already removed and actually lost it, so we don't have to remove him, but you'll probably have a plug there. You've got to remove these screws as well, and you actually get accessed behind this panel. And behind this panel is the particle cleaner, so or the area where we can put the particle cleaner. It's just here. So I'll get these screws removed, and once they're removed, I'll pull this out. One thing you do have to be careful of is this under here. As you pull it down, there is an airbag switch that you need to remove so it doesn't get caught or anything like that. But yeah, we'll jump in, remove these screws, and then we'll go to the next part of the video. Alright, so now we're talking screw here. There's one under here, one here, there is one here, just up there, there's one under there, and as I was saying, there is a plug there if your car is not like mine, and I've lost mine. So now you should be able to move this whole piece forward, which is nice and easy to do. You just got to grab it and sort of pull it forward and down. And the other beauty of my car is I've already removed the airbag switch, which is up here, which actually clicks into this little hole here. But that is the area that we want to install the particle filter. So this bit here, which is this plastic little slip here, the Mitsubishi Tritons actually have the location already for it, but Mitsubishi in their wise ways for some reason decided not to install it. So they give you the option to install it, but they don't install it from factory for some stupid reason. But anyway, we'll get a Stanley knife, and all you got to do is cut around this piece here, and once you get access into there, you can literally install the particle filter. It's got two screw holes, one there and one up here, so that's nice and easy to do. And you've got nice fresh air just like that. So we'll get the Stanley out, cut this out, and install it in. So this is what she looks like. Pretty dirty in there. It's a bit of a hard way to get a view, but it's pretty dirty in there. And as I said, the whole point of these things is to make that nice and clean. So what you do is you grab your trusty cabin filter, nice and simple. Read the front, it's got an air filter location, so it wants the air flow to go down, so it's nice and simple as well. And then you just stick him into the hole, like so. Make sure she's all in, and you now have a cabin filter installed in your car. That's how easy it is. This is like a 10-minute job. It's this, like, probably the easiest thing I've done to the car. So, what do these things do? Alright, so some of the benefits of putting one of these in your car. Cleaner breathing, absorbing odors, allergy protection, and cleaner vehicle interiors. So the benefits of cleaner breathing is obviously taking away particles that, you know, cause issues with like respiratory systems, like your lungs, which is like headaches, nausea, fatigue, and giddiness. Absorbs odors. It's pretty self-explanatory. Takes all the gas and all that kind of stuff away from the vehicle in front of you, and obviously gets rid of the smell and takes away the harmful gases that are coming out of their exhaust. Allergy protection. This might be great for kids, might be great for yourself if you suffer hay fever, all that kind of stuff. Can travel in the air, so protects the vehicle occupants for allergy-causing particles such as pollens, fungus, spores, dirt, dust, and bacteria. And I suppose the last one that I really like is it cleans the vehicle's interior. So if you've been anywhere in the Pilbara, you'll notice that red dirt loves to get into your air conditioning system. So what you can do here is put your car on recirculate, and it will stop that red dirt from entering your vehicle, which is absolutely awesome. So they are some of the features of the Ryco air filter. So pretty stoked to have this in the car, and they're super easy to install. I'll turn the car on, breathe in the new fresh air from the cabin filter, and enjoy all its benefits. So I'll put this all back together, and as I said, you put it back together the way you took it all out, so it's nice and simple, and you are ready to rock and roll. So that's pretty much the end of this video. I don't really need to go through anything more. If you have any questions about this, let me know, but this is probably one of the simplest things you can do to your car, especially if you're on like one of those really dusty trails or something like that. Can definitely make a big difference. Like if you look in my vents, they are full to the brim of dirt, dust, all that good stuff. It gets everywhere in your car. So to stop that, well, as I said, to stop that, one of the big things you can do is put a particle filter in your car, because that's going to stop like 98% of that stuff coming through, and keep your car more clean. And you can leave it on recirculate, all that kind of stuff, which is great. So that's been another episode of 4x4 Camping and Adventures. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. If you got a free weekend, I mean, a long weekend's coming up soon, so if you've got a long weekend coming up, hey, go to your local auto dealer, or, you know, Super Cheap or whatever, and pick up one of these Ryco air filters, because it literally takes 5 minutes to install. If you've got a simple drill and a knife, you can make it happen pretty quickly, and enjoy the benefits of having a cleaner interior. So as I said, I'll leave that there. If I don't see you in the next video, I might see you out in the tracks and trails, and if I don't see you out in the tracks and trails, I shall see you later. Bye!